To suspension tuning, locking differentials, high ground clearance and run.
When adventure calls, you don't just answer, you arrive. This is the all-new Mahindra Thar Facelift 2025 Reborn. With the facelift Mahindra fascia with redesigned LED headlamps, signature DR. The bumper has been reprofiled for better approach angles, built for the real off-road terrain. From the side, the Thar retains its iconic stance but adds modern refinements. Premium alloy designs, stronger cladding, and improved aerodynamics while preserving that unmistakable Thar DNA. At the back, redesigned LED tail lamps and a reinforced tail rail mount give it both style and strength. Every angle, every detail, engineered to dominate. A refreshed dashboard layout, larger touchscreen infotainment with wireless value jumbles, improved seat cushioning, and refined ergonomics for long, effortless journeys.
2024 Thar offers more refined BS6 Phase 2 compliant engines and have improved fuel efficiency.
With improved suspension tuning, locking differentials, high ground clearance and run.
Redesign the legendary 4x4 capability, the Thar remains India's most trusted off-roader.
That style, a machine built for explorers, dreamers, and believers. Mahindra Thar Facelift 2025. Live the legend.